Bookshelf without using nail. Hello and welcome to MrBeing. Thanks for watching. This is a primer which you will get with the 3M high bond tape. Using primer to clean the surface. This is the actual high stretch bonding tape of 3M. Link in the description. Go check it out. I'm using this way to stick the tape because it makes it more stronger. Now you can use a ruler or a round screwdriver. I have this packing tape handy, so I used it. It works as a ruler. Now using primer to clean the wall where the bookshelf will be situated. Now remove this safety layer. Carefully stick where you want your bookshelf. You can use the angle upside down or else how you want it, but I use it this way because it works for me. Now keep the books as I am doing, but see through it that you don't overweight because it can damage the tape and cause it to fall. I'm using only a single angle because it is supported by my bed. But you should use 2 angles as shown below because 2 angles will support it more well than 1, and use it like this as shown here. Thank you for watching and have a good bookshelf in your house without using a nail.